The recipe of the week is beef and cheese pasta. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Christy, and this is the recipe of the week video. We had 3 votes last on the grocery haul the week before last, and they were all for different things. So we had a 3-way tie. I picked the one that was the first commenter. Again, like I said, it always pays to be the first person to comment on our video. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and watch our grocery haul videos and meal plan. And then when you watch that meal plan, if you see a recipe on there that you would love to see how to make it, then, or how we choose to make it, then be sure to vote on it in the comment section. All right, so let's start on this recipe. This is a slow cooker recipe, so you'll need your slow cooker. So we're going to start by over medium high heat. We brown the beef. Now, according to this recipe that we got, which I will link in the description, you're supposed to brown the ground beef until it's cooked and then drain it, and then add onions and garlic to the skillet, and then you transfer all that into a slow cooker. But what I did was I browned the ground beef, and when it was close to being done, then I added the garlic, which we always leave out onions, but that's when you would have done that. And I just added the garlic in there for the last minute or so of it cooking. Then I drained it. It doesn't matter because it won't drain, the garlic won't drain through the colander. So anyway, I did that. Now we're going to move over to our slow cooker. In the slow cooker, I gave it a little cooking spray using my Misto because I just want to make sure that nothing sticks to the slow cooker because I do not use cooking liners. But anyway, so we transfer the beef and garlic to the slow cooker, and then we're going to pour in some marinara sauce, stewed tomatoes, basil, oregano, Italian seasoning, which we do make our own Italian seasoning. The chances are you probably have all those ingredients in your house already, so we choose to do that instead of buying seasoning blends. I will link the recipe for the Italian seasoning down in the description as well. We also added some red pepper flakes. I'm just going to butcher the word and move on. Worcestershire sauce. And then you also add a crumbled beef bouillon cubes. Actually, it's 2 of them, I think. 2. And I just crumbled it a little bit with my hands just to make sure that it was broken up really well. And also 2 teaspoons of sugar, which I believe I probably used coconut sugar for that, because I usually, any recipe that calls for regular white sugar, I will substitute coconut sugar for it because it does not spike your blood sugar as easily or as much as white sugar does. Anyway, so you do that and you season it with some salt and pepper, and then you're gonna put your slow cooker on for 6 to 8 hours on low and let it do its work for you. Now, after the 6 to 8 hours on low, you're going to put your pot of pasta on. You need a whole pound of pina pasta or either rigatoni, bow tie pasta, something like that. You're going to cook it to al dente. You're going to drain it well, and then you're going to add it to the slow cooker with a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. I already shredded all that, and you just stir it to combine it all together. The reason why I chose to do a voiceover this week is because I thought it would sound so gross if y'all could hear the camera picking up the sound of all those ingredients being blended, so that's why I did that. Anyway, so you stir it really well, you put the lid back on it, and you cook it on high for 30 minutes. On high for 30 minutes. Then when you take the lid off after 30 minutes, you're gonna mix in, it says either cooked or raw spinach leaves. So we went with the raw and just stirred it well. And after it was, blended well, the spinach leaves were wilted to almost nothing as usual, right? And you're done. And that is the whole recipe. We hope that you enjoyed the recipe of the week. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to vote on our grocery haul videos for what recipes you would like for us to make. And until then, be sure to check out one of the videos that's probably floating on the screen. It is probably a recipe of the week video or a grocery haul video. And until next time, this is Christy with The Long Run with Joel and Christy saying, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Bye.